This Tesla Model Y 2022 update influences the Tesla stock enormously. As Tesla establishes a manufacturing footprint in Europe, the company officially opened its new factory near Berlin on Tuesday, kicking off deliveries. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, was on hand to greet customers and hand over the first 30 Model Ys. And during this event, Tesla's stock jumped, putting the stock on track to rise for the sixth session in a row. As per experts, launching Model Y is only the beginning of the increment of Tesla's stock in the near future. Well, let's talk about this in today's video. And for that, all you need to do is watch this video till the very end. Hello everyone. Welcome to Tesla News Explained. Hit the subscribe button to get every news about Tesla. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload the new video. So, with that being said, let's hop into the video. Tesla stock is on the rise Monday as the company is preparing to ramp up its new European production capacity this week. The Tesla stock rose 2.6% in early trading on Monday, trading at about $1,057 a share. Tesla stock at $1,057 a share has a market value of about $950 billion based on its share count of just over 1 billion shares. Tesla's market capitalization, which is estimated to be about $1.1 trillion, includes management stock options that may someday be converted into shares. In terms of fully diluted market capitalization, Tesla's market cap crossed $1.08 trillion again a few days ago. Giga Berlin facility has been officially opened by Musk and his team. As part of the deal, Tesla will have a significant manufacturing footprint within Europe with this new factory and facility. As we know, Tesla uses the prefix giga in its factory naming conventions, using a standardized naming scheme. A giga is a numerical prefix that stands for 10 to the 9th power, or a 1 followed by 9 zeros. Daniel Ives, an analyst, said, "We view the opening of Giga Berlin as one of the biggest strategic endeavors for Tesla over the last decade and should further vault its market share within Europe over the coming years." Tesla's short and long-term growth relies largely on its presence in Berlin. The analysts predict that the company will be able to deliver as many as 100,000 vehicles from the plant by 2022 and 500,000 in the years to follow. The vehicles made in Berlin are designed for the European market. The move will help Tesla save shipping costs, as it has been supplying Europe from its facilities in Shanghai and the United States in recent months. It is expected that Tesla's Austin, Texas, the plant will ramp up production after Berlin. There have been several events scheduled for early April, but there is not a fixed date for the ribbon cutting, which is what happened in Germany. It is expected that the Austin factory will produce up to 100,000 units by 2022, and that number is expected to increase to about 500,000 during the next few years. Eventually, Tesla will produce the Model Y as well as the Cybertruck in Austin. According to Wall Street, Tesla is expected to deliver approximately 1.5 million units in 2022, a number that is up from 936,000 units delivered in 2021. On the other hand, when the stock of Tesla increased, Daniel Ives said, "This removes a major overhang on the stock over the past few months. The red tape and headaches seen around the delays/disputes opening up this flagship European factory have been frustrating for investors to watch unfold, as many on the street were doubting if Giga Berlin ever actually would open." It is expected that the opening of Giga Berlin will reduce the production bottlenecks in China for deliveries throughout Europe. The Berlin plant has the capacity to increase its production to about 500,000 vehicles annually. The Tesla Model Y SUV will be the first vehicle to roll off the assembly line in the next 12 to 18 months. It is clear that Europe is moving in the direction of electrification at a rapid rate, and competition for electric vehicles is increasing from every angle, with Volkswagen, for example, doubling down on its EV ambitions. In this situation, Giga Berlin is a major competitive advantage for Tesla to further expand its footprint in this essential region. Anyway, that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we come up with a new video. Peace out.